Hello. In this video, we're going to use compositions to determine if f and g are inverses of each other. We have f of x is equal to the cube root of x plus 1, and g of x is x minus 1 cubed. Now, just a kind of a way that we look at these, notice cube root and cube are inverses of each other, so it does have a shot, just a thought. That's one way to just kind of look at this and determine, is it even possible? And yes, it is. So let's determine if they are in fact inverses of each other. So here I'm going to let f of x be blue, and I'm going to let g of x be purple. So what I want to do, what I want to know is f composed of g of x equal to x? That's what I want to know. Now remember, f composed of g of x is simply f of whatever g of x is. So let's figure out what that is. We're going to replace the g of x with the entire x minus 1 cubed. And then we're going to take what we just figured out in here and plug it into the f function for all the x's. So that means that we're going to get out of this the cube root of the entire x minus 1 all cubed plus 1. And notice that the cube root and the cube cancel each other because they're inverse functions of each other. And what we're going to get is simply x minus 1 from that. And then we have plus 1 at the end. And notice that negative 1 plus 1 is x. And notice all I'm doing is I'm just simplifying the entire way. And notice that x is exactly what we wanted. So good. Fantastic. Now let's go in the reverse direction. We want to know, what is g composed of f of x? And we're hoping that that's equal to x. So we want to look at now g of whatever the entire f of x function is. So I'm going to replace the f of x function with the cube root of x plus 1. Careful there. That means I'm going to take whatever's here and replace in the g function all the x's with whatever I see in the parentheses there. This is going to give me, parentheses, the entire cube root of x plus 1, because that's what that x is there, and then this minus 1, all cubed. And then simplify. Notice positive 1 and negative 1, they cancel each other. So we're left with the cube root of x cubed, and the cube root and cube will cancel each other, which gives us just x. And that is exactly what we wanted. Therefore, yes, these two are in fact inverses of each other. Fantastic. Well, I believe that's it for this particular video. I'm going to go ahead and end it here, and I will see you in the next one. Have fun.